Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving problem 3.36 from the book Thermodynamics An Engineering Approach by CENGEL. So, the statement of the problem is a 1.8 meter cube rigid tank contains steam at 220 degrees centigrade. One third of the volume is in the liquid phase and the rest is in the vapor form. Determine number A, the pressure of the steam, the quality of the saturated steam, and the density of the mixture. So first I write given data. So in given data, a 1.8 meter cube, unit is meter cube, it means the total volume is equal to 1.8 meter cube. Rigid tank contains steam at 200. Rigid tank means that volume is constant. Steam at 220 degrees centigrade. Temperature is 220 degrees centigrade. One third of the volume is in the liquid phase and the rest is in the vapor form. One third of the volume, total volume is 1.8 meter cube, and volume of liquid is one third of total volume. Volume of liquid is VF. VF is equal to one third of total volume. One third of total volume, which is equal to one third of total volume. So total volume is 1.8 meter cube. So 1.8 divided by 3 is equal to 0.6 meter cube, and rest of the volume, and the rest is in the vapor form. So volume of vapor is represented by Vg, which is equal to one third is for the liquid, so two third, two part out of third part will be per vapor. So 2 by 3 of total volume 1.8 meter cube. So if we solve this, 2 multiplied by 1.8 divided by 3, which is equal to 1.2 meter cube. So in total volume 0.6 meter cube is for liquid and 1.2 meter cube for vapor. Determine number A, pressure of the steam. Number B, the quality of the saturated mix. Quality is represented by X. Quality means mass of the water vapor and total mass. Total mass is mass of liquid plus vapor. So mass of vapor divided by mass of liquid plus vapor is quality X, and the density of the mixture. This is the required. Now we start solution. So first thing to find is pressure. So in this case, pressure is saturated pressure, because this is PV diagram. Pressure in kilopascal and volume in meter cube per kg. This is saturation curve. This is saturated liquid line. This line is saturated liquid line, and this line is saturated vapor line. So here the working fluid is liquid plus vapor. It means that the steam is in the wet region. This is wet region. This region is called wet region. So the steam is in between saturated liquid line and saturated vapor line, and this region is called wet region. So here the temperature is 220 degrees centigrade, but we know that in this region temperature is constant, 220 degrees centigrade, and this temperature is called saturated temperature. and the pressure is also constant in this region, and the pressure at this region is called saturation pressure. Here temperature is called saturation temperature and pressure is called saturation pressure, and pressure and temperature both are constant in this region. So the temperature given to us 220 degrees centigrade is saturation temperature. So we can find saturated pressure from the saturated steam table. So per pressure we will use saturated steam table. So from saturated steam table, from saturated steam table at Ts is equal to 220 degrees centigrade. Saturation pressure is equal to 2317.8 kilopascal. So this is the required pressure. Second, secondly required uh, quality of steam. X quality of steam. So the definition for quality of steam is mass of liquid divided by total mass, and total mass is equal to, this is mass of liquid, and total mass is equal to mass of liquid plus mass of vapor. So first we find mass of liquid and mass of vapor, so then we can easily find dryness fraction. So first we find mass of liquid and then we find mass of vapor. So for mass of liquid we know that as specific volume is equal to total volume divided by mass. So from this formula we can write as Vf, specific volume of liquid, is equal to total volume of liquid divided by mass of liquid. So from this formula, if we rearrange this equation, so we can write this as Mf, mass of liquid, is equal to total volume of liquid and specific volume of liquid. So total volume of liquid is already found by us already. This is Vf, total volume, which is equal to 0.6 meter cube, and we can find specific volume of liquid and specific volume of gas from the saturated steam table. So from saturated steam table at pressure is equal to, or at temperature is equal to, we can also find this from temperature. At temperature is equal to 220 degrees centigrade. Specific volume of liquid is equal to 0.00119 meter cube per kg, and Vg, specific volume of gas of vapor, is equal to 0.8619 meter cube per kg. So now we can find Mf, mass of liquid, is equal to total mass of liquid divided by specific mass of total volume of liquid divided by specific volume of liquid. So total volume of liquid is equal to 0.6 and specific volume of liquid is 0.00119 meter cube per kg. Meter cube will be cancelled with meter cube, and this is in double division, so in double this will be in numerator. So 0.6 divided by 0.0019 is equal to 504.2 kg. This is mass of liquid, and mass of vapor, as we know that mass of liquid is equal to total mass of liquid divided by total specific mass of liquid. So similarly, mass of vapor is equal to total mass of vapor divided by specific mass of vapor, specific volume, total volume divided by specific volume. So total volume of vapor is 1.2 meter cube and specific volume of vapor is 0.8619 meter cube per kg, which is equal to 13.92 kg. So now X is equal to mass of vapor divided by total mass. Total mass is mass of liquid plus mass of vapor. So which is equal to mass of vapor is mass of vapor is 13.92 kg. 13.92 kg, and total mass is mass of liquid plus mass of vapor, 504.2 plus 13.92 kg. This kilogram will be cancelled with this kilogram, and quality of vapor is equal to, this is simple calculation, which is equal to 0.0268. Now in part C, density is required, and as we know that density is equal to total mass divided by total volume. So total mass is 504.2 plus 13.92 kg, and total volume which is given to us is 1.8 meter cube. So density is equal to 504.2 plus 13.92 is equal to 518.12 kg divided by 1.8 meter cube. So density is equal to, the final result for density is 287.8 kilogram per meter cube. So this is the end of the problem, and for more problems please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.